See, these
All
have to
right,
be
so
pulled
we're
out.
calling it a day. It's like 3:30.
See this scum?
You can see the discoloration, the line of demarcation. Pat has this area here left, and she's been doing this all day, so she's calling it a day. She cleaned
I did get this
the
clean.
air conditioner, and it looks so much better.
I'm still
She
working on it.
pressure treated the
Pressure
front
wash.
face and side face of the house, and quite a few chunks of paint fell off the house, which is to be expected.
And here.
There's a couple touch-up areas in regards to the gutters, but that can be hand done, I guess.
Look
Or
here.
did you do that gutter?
Not yet.
Okay.
I got about this far, really.
Oh, okay.
I started over there
Okay.
a little, but I'm not done. See, this has to be replaced.
The
And that's something that Jed can whip out in 5 minutes.
there, yeah, it looks like it kind of pulverized, but
Yeah.
you know,
Well,
that's
it's
to be
rotten.
expected.
It's
I
rotten.
mean,
Oops.
it's weathered. So she did this whole front face of the house, and she left off right about here, so she knows where she's going to take off
Show them this side.
when she comes back. Now, look at the
Difference.
grooves. I mean, all that greenery and moss is gone. It's absolutely beautiful. The porch looks great.
Sidewalks. I got this whole thing. I still got to get some of the moss, but
And there's the walkway. It's cleaner now. And lo and behold, I decided to clean up that grass. And what I suspect was there was a bag of mulch there, but I think there was another bag of black gold dirt. And it just kind of decomposed, and then grass grew in it. But there were all these different stepping stones underneath that grass, and it was perfect. So, I mean, this looks so much better, you know. I don't know if you can see that because of the sun. But it's the pavers and dirt, and then here's the line right here where the grass stops.
There's a couple of bricks out behind, underneath. I just thought maybe we can work this a little better.
And she thinks we can work this area a little better. It's going to need to heal for a day because of all the water.
Yeah.
Outside of that, looks good. She did the underside of the carport structure, and it's nice. And it almost looks new.
Yeah, wait a minute. I got this panel left.
You've got that panel right there left.
And some of this side.
It looks really good.
The outside is gross.
Yeah, I saw the outside. The outside still needs a little TLC. So far so good. It looks like there's a little bit of curb appeal going on. Again, the yard waste is in bags, and the thorny, berry, twiggy stuff is on the side because it doesn't make any sense to bag that because it'll rip the bag.
Well, we'll probably take it home and throw it in our burn pile anyway.
Oh, okay.
That stuff.
Okay.
The sticky stuff. The bag stuff.
There's 2 bags in the back, and then there's a pile. And, I mean, look at how good that looks. Oh, my gosh. You did such a good job.
It looks so much better, doesn't it?
I know.
I'm not quite done all the way back.
Yeah. It looks like
But
it looks like somebody's cleaned it. You know what I mean?
Yeah, it was total moss.
Yeah.
Like 2 inches thick. See the pile at the end?
Yeah.
And on the sides.
I'm gonna walk down it. I think this needs to go to your sister and brother-in-law.
Yeah.
Because I remember this spot right here specifically was all thick moss.
Yeah, totally.
And now it's all gone. And then I have to remind myself, because I didn't get to the lilac bush today, that I need to make sure these 2 downspouts are drained properly and manicured a little bit. Oh,
Oh, you're in
you
the
guys
way.
are here.
Yeah, they need to come around.
All right.